Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. If your days feel messy, if you start things but don't finish, if you feel busy but not productive, then this might be the reason. Because most people don't have a routine problem. They have hidden habits, quiet patterns that slowly destroy their structure without them realizing it. And the worst part, these habits feel normal, harmless, even productive. But over time, they quietly ruin your day. In this video, you're going to learn 10 habits that are quietly ruining your daily routine and how to fix them. Let's begin. Habit 1. Checking your phone first thing in the morning. The moment you wake up, you check notifications, messages, social media, news, and within minutes, your mind is scattered. Your focus is gone. Your day is no longer yours. Instead of starting your day with intention, you started reacting. Habit 2. Not planning your day. You tell yourself you'll figure it out. But without a plan, you drift from task to task without direction. And at the end of the day, you feel like you did a lot, but accomplished very little. Habit 3. Multitasking. It feels efficient, but it's not. Switching between tasks kills focus, reduces quality, and increases mental fatigue. You're not doing more. You're doing less with more effort. Habit 4. Starting too many things. You begin one task, then switch to another, then another. Nothing gets finished. And unfinished tasks create mental clutter, which makes it even harder to focus. Habit 5. Ignoring small tasks. You delay simple things. Emails, messages, quick actions. They seem small, but they build up. And eventually, they become overwhelming, turning small effort into big stress. Habit 6. No clear priorities. Everything feels important, so you try to do everything. But when everything is important, nothing is. And your time gets spread too thin. Habit 7. Constant interruptions, notifications, people, noise. You allow your attention to be pulled again and again, and every interruption resets your focus, making deep work almost impossible. Habit 8. Overloading your schedule. You try to fit too much into one day, too many tasks, too many expectations, and when you can't keep up, you feel behind, even if you were productive. Habit 9. No real breaks. You keep pushing, working, without stopping, thinking it will help. But without breaks, your focus drops, your energy fades, and your output declines. Habit 10. Ending your day without reflection. You finish your day and move on without thinking about what worked and what didn't. So nothing improves, and the same patterns repeat. Now take a moment. None of these habits are obvious. They feel normal. They feel harmless. But over time, they quietly shape your routine and your results. The goal is not to fix everything at once. Just start noticing. Pick one habit, change it, then another. Because small changes create structure, and structure creates control. And once you have control, your days feel different, clearer, calmer, more intentional, because a good routine is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right way every day. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.